Today we have with us more than 100 companies, some of them based in France, joining us online, and some of them are here at Sheraton Towers Hotel.
Today I'm super happy because it's a really great matchmaking with different people, some big corporates, some startups. So mostly here for exchanges, find new leads, but created contacts.
To meet the right decision makers as well, because we know they're all here and they're all ready and open to actually talk with us.
All new idea and disruptive action came mostly from startup. That's why we are permanently looking around.
I am very happy with this event since I could have a lot of chance to meet with very interesting companies as well as people.
How this French Chamber of Commerce event has brought us to first understand the different companies on a panel discussion where the thought leaders have shared a lot about themselves.
It's very important for ENGIE to connect with startups because startups are leading the way in terms of innovation, new business model, new technology, new solutions that they're bringing. They're seeing the future of the energy sector, helping us in the energy transition.
So our meetings went very well. We had 6 meetings back to back, and that was very satisfying. A lot of interest. I think this is absolutely crucial for startup like ours to be in touch with multinational companies, and especially French multinational companies, which has a very significant presence in Singapore and regional headquarters in most of the time.
We hope to see you next year for the 6th edition of the Asia Startup Summit. Thank you.